In this video, I will explain how pumped storage power plants work and why they are important for electricity supply. You will learn how these power plants store energy and release it when needed. A pumped storage power plant is a facility for generating electricity. It stores energy by pumping water into a higher reservoir. When needed, the water is released again to drive a turbine. This allows electricity to be generated when it is needed. A pumped storage power plant uses height differences to store energy. During times of low electricity consumption, water is pumped into a high reservoir. When more electricity is needed, the water flows back down and drives a turbine. This turbine then generates electrical energy. Pumped storage power plants help balance fluctuations in the power grid. They can absorb excess electricity and release it later. This ensures a stable power supply. They are especially important for renewable energies because wind and solar power do not always generate the same amount of energy. The most common type is the pumped storage hydroelectric power plant. However, there are also natural storage lakes that can be used. Some plants combine different storage techniques to be more efficient. Depending on the location and needs, different systems are used. The turbine is the central component of a pumped storage power plant. When water flows through the turbine, it sets it in motion. The turbine drives a generator that produces electricity. Depending on the design of the plant, different types of turbines are used. The water is stored in a reservoir or an artificial basin. These storage facilities are usually found in mountainous regions. They must be large enough to store a significant amount of energy. When needed, the water is released in a controlled manner to generate electricity. Pumped storage power plants can respond quickly to electricity demand. They are more environmentally friendly than fossil power plants because they do not produce harmful emissions. Additionally, they can store excess energy from renewable sources. This makes them particularly valuable for the energy transition. Building a pumped storage power plant is expensive and complex. Large areas often need to be flooded, which impacts nature. Additionally, they are only possible in certain regions with suitable height differences. Despite these disadvantages, they are an important technology for the future. With the increasing use of renewable energy, storing electricity is becoming more important. Pumped storage power plants help make energy available at all times. They contribute to keeping the power grid stable. Therefore, they will continue to play a major role in the future.